Every week, developers release useful open-source GitHub projects that solve real problems. In this weekly update, we cover top trending open-source GitHub projects this week for developers. You will discover practical tools for AI workflows, automation, and developer productivity. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Evolver Self-Evolving AI Agents with Auditable Improvements. Evolver is a CLI-based self-evolution engine for AI agents that helps developers automate prompt and behavior improvements without manual tuning. It works by scanning runtime logs and memory, detecting failures or patterns, and selecting predefined genes to generate structured evolution prompts using the Genome Evolution Protocol. These prompts can run automatically or with human review, and every change is recorded as auditable assets like genes, capsules, and events. It runs locally with optional connection to the EvoMap network for sharing reusable improvements, making it useful for teams maintaining reliable, evolving AI agents. Try it to automate your agent improvement loop. Project number 2. OMI Open Source Wearable AI Assistant with Real-Time Context. OMI is an open-source platform and hardware-backed AI assistant that helps developers build real-time, context-aware voice applications. It works by continuously capturing audio through a wearable device, transcribing speech, and processing it with connected AI models to generate responses or actions. It integrates with local and cloud-based services, supports custom skills, and exposes APIs for extending behavior. Data flows through a pipeline of audio capture, transcription, and model inference, enabling always-on interaction. It is useful for developers building ambient assistants and voice interfaces. Explore it to build your own real-time AI companion. Project number 3. Voicebox, Local-First Voice Interface for AI Agents. Voicebox is a developer tool that provides a local-first voice interface layer for interacting with AI agents using speech. It captures microphone input, converts speech to text, sends it to connected models or agent frameworks, and returns spoken responses through text-to-speech. It runs fully on local environments with optional API integrations, giving developers control over latency and privacy. It supports modular pipelines for speech recognition and synthesis, making it flexible across different stacks. It is useful for building voice-enabled apps and assistants. Try it to add natural voice interaction to your agents. Project number 4. Craft Agents, Framework for Structured Multi-Agent Workflows. Craft Agents is an open-source framework for building structured AI agent systems that coordinate tasks through defined workflows. It allows developers to define agents, tools, and execution flows, where each agent performs a role and passes outputs to others. It integrates with common LLM providers and supports local or cloud execution depending on setup. Data flows through task pipelines with clear inputs and outputs, improving reliability and control. It is useful for teams building multi-step AI automations. Use it to design predictable multi-agent systems. ALMA. Project number 5. OpenSRE, AI-powered site reliability automation platform. OpenSRE is an open-source platform that helps automate site reliability engineering tasks using AI-driven agents and workflows. It connects with monitoring systems, logs, and infrastructure tools to detect issues and trigger automated responses. It processes telemetry data, applies reasoning through integrated models, and executes remediation steps through defined playbooks. It can run in self-hosted or cloud environments depending on deployment. It is useful for DevOps and SRE teams managing complex systems. Explore it to automate incident response and operations. Project number 6. DESIGN, Persistent Memory Layer for AI Applications. DESIGN is a developer tool that provides a structured memory layer for AI systems to store and retrieve contextual data efficiently. It works by organizing information into persistent storage units that models can query during execution, improving continuity across interactions. It integrates with application backends and supports local or distributed storage setups. Data is written, indexed, and retrieved through defined APIs, enabling consistent memory access. It is useful for developers building stateful AI applications. Try it to add reliable memory to your AI workflows. Project number 7, OpenAI Agents SDK Python Toolkit for building AI agents. OpenAI Agents SDK is a Python library that helps developers build, run, and manage AI agents with structured tool use and workflows. It provides abstractions for defining agents, tools, and execution loops, where models decide actions based on inputs and tool outputs. It integrates with OpenAI APIs and supports local orchestration logic within Python environments. Data flows through prompts, tool calls, and responses in a controlled loop. It is useful for developers creating production-ready AI agents. Use it to build and manage agent workflows in Python. Project number 8, T3 Code, AI-powered full-stack app generation tool. T3 Code is a developer tool that generates full-stack applications using AI with a predefined modern tech stack. It takes user input and produces structured codebases with front-end, back-end, and configuration aligned to the T3 ecosystem. It integrates with frameworks like Next.js and Common Tooling, enabling quick setup and iteration. Code is generated and organized locally, allowing developers to modify and extend it. It is useful for developers who want fast project scaffolding with AI assistance. Try it to speed up full-stack development. Project number 9, Chrome DevTools for Agents. Browser debugging tools for AI agents. Chrome DevTools for Agents is a developer tool that extends browser debugging capabilities to AI agents interacting with web pages. It connects agents to Chrome DevTools protocol, allowing them to inspect, navigate, and interact with web content programmatically. It enables agents to read DOM elements, execute actions, and monitor network activity in real time. It works with local or remote browser instances, giving control over execution environments. It is useful for developers building web automation agents. Use it to debug and control browser-based agents. Project number 10, wacli Command Line Interface for WhatsApp Automation. Wacli is a CLI tool that enables developers to interact with WhatsApp through automated commands and scripts. It connects to WhatsApp web sessions, allowing message sending, receiving, and basic automation through terminal commands. It runs locally and manages session data securely on the user's machine. Developers can integrate it into workflows or scripts for communication automation. It is useful for building lightweight messaging tools and bots. Try it to automate WhatsApp tasks from your terminal. Project number 11, wterm Terminal Interface for Web-Based Environments. The wterm is a terminal-based interface that allows users to interact with web-driven environments directly from the command line. It bridges terminal workflows with browser-like capabilities, enabling command execution and data interaction in a unified interface. It runs locally and connects to web services or sessions as needed. It is useful for developers who prefer terminal-first workflows while accessing web tools. Explore it to extend your terminal with web capabilities. Local to this needs. Project number 12, Family Trip Command Center, AI Planner for Organizing Family Trips. Family Trip Command Center is a web-based tool that helps organize and manage family travel plans using structured data and AI assistance. It allows users to input trip details, preferences, and schedules, then generates organized plans and updates dynamically. It integrates with common travel data sources and runs as a self-hosted or local app. Data is stored and managed in a centralized dashboard for easy access. It is useful for families planning trips collaboratively. Try it to simplify travel planning. Planning trip modes to be. Project number 13, OpenDuck, Open Source Data Exploration and Querying Platform. OpenDuck is an open source platform for exploring, querying, and analyzing structured data using a simple interface. It connects to databases and data sources, allowing users to run queries and visualize visualize results efficiently. It processes data locally or through connected environments depending on setup. It supports flexible query workflows and integrates with common data tools. It is useful for developers and analysts working with datasets. Explore it to simplify data exploration. Retivolda Contermine. Project number 14, Slowbooks Pro 2026, Lightweight Accounting System for Small Businesses. Slowbooks Pro 2026 is a lightweight accounting application designed to help small businesses manage finances with a simple interface. It supports tracking transactions, generating reports, and organizing financial records in a structured way. It runs locally with optional data storage configurations, giving users control over their data. It focuses on clarity and usability rather than complex features. It is useful for small business owners and developers building finance tools. Try it to manage basic accounting workflows. 1.1.1.1.1 Use tone to me. Project number 15, das STTextView, SwiftUI compatible advanced text editing component. STTextView is a Swift-based UI component that provides advanced text editing capabilities for macOS and iOS applications. It extends native text views with features like syntax highlighting, custom layout, and improved performance. It integrates with SwiftUI and AppKit, allowing developers to embed it into modern Apple apps. Text is handled efficiently with support for large documents and customization. It is useful for developers building editors or text-heavy apps. Use it to enhance text editing in your apps. Alok Timel. Project number 16, Temporal Ruby SDK for durable workflow orchestration. Temporal is a Ruby SDK that allows developers to build durable, fault-tolerant workflows with long-running execution. It works by defining workflows and activities in code which are executed and managed by the Temporal service. It handles retries, state persistence, and failure recovery automatically. It connects to Temporal servers running locally or in the cloud. Data flows through deterministic workflow execution, ensuring reliability. It is useful for back-end developers building resilient systems. Try it to manage complex workflows reliably. Project number 17, claude-desktop-buddy, desktop companion for Claude AI interaction. Claude-desktop-buddy is a desktop application that provides a local interface for interacting with Claude AI model. It allows users to send prompts, receive responses, and manage conversations in a dedicated environment. It connects to Claude APIs while keeping the interface lightweight and accessible. Data is handled locally with API communication for inference. It is useful for users who want a focused desktop experience for AI interaction. Explore it to simplify working with Claude on your desktop. Project number 18, TypeWhisper for Mac, AI-powered typing assistant for Mac OS. TypeWhisper for Mac is a Mac OS application that enhances typing with AI-powered suggestions and completions. It listens to user input, processes context, and generates relevant text suggestions in real time. It integrates with system input methods and works across applications. Processing can involve local handling with optional API-based inference. It is useful for users who want faster and smarter typing workflows. Try it to improve writing efficiency on Mac. Project number 19, TypeUI DESIGN.md Extractor tool to extract structured UI specs from Markdown. TypeUI DESIGN.md Extractor is a browser extension that converts design.md files into structured UI specifications for easier use in development. It parses Markdown content, extracts components and layout details, and presents them in a usable format. It works directly in the browser and integrates with developer workflows. Data is processed locally within the extension. It is useful for developers working with design documentation. Use it to turn Markdown designs into actionable UI specs. Logowinio. Project number 20, termcn, lightweight terminal-based networking utility. Termcn is a command-line networking utility that allows users to establish and manage simple connections directly from the terminal. It provides basic tools for sending and receiving data across network endpoints. It runs locally and is designed for simplicity and quick usage. It integrates with standard networking protocols available in the system. It is useful for developers testing connections or building lightweight network tools. Try it to handle quick networking tasks from your terminal. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.